So why focusing on the condo association fee when you're buying a condo is a huge red flag? Hi, I'm Melissa Perrille with PRG Premier Group with eXp Realty. So many buyers unfortunately make the dreaded mistake of just focusing on the HOA fees. Granted, I wouldn't like to pay them either, but when you buy a condo, that HOA fee encompasses a lot. It encompasses the maintenance on the unit, snow removal, which is definitely nice in the Northeast, any amenities. Does it have a pool? Does it have a clubhouse? Is there a gym? So there's many different factors that you have to factor in when looking at that HOA fee. The biggest red flag is when the fee is super low. And what does that typically mean? It typically means that it's a non-warrantable condominium complex. So what's the difference there? So a non-warrantable complex, many red flags when you're going into the units, the hallways, the ground maintenance, nothing is as maintained as it should be. So there's definitely probably some deferred maintenance going on. And the reason being is the condo association most likely isn't managed properly, number one. Number two, there's a very high ratio of investors. So there's not many owner occupants. And unfortunately, a lot of investors are looking at the ROI on the unit. They're looking at the cash flow. They're not worried about improving anything within the units or the development. So the association fees still remain low. However, there could be potential for upcoming assessments due to all the deferred maintenance. So if you see a very low condo association fee, it's definitely a red flag. You have to look at what the owner occupancy ratio is and if it's going to make it non-warrantable. So what does a non-warrantable condo complex mean for financing? It means a higher down payment, and very few lenders like to finance those. Typically, you would have to go to a portfolio lender who is going to keep the mortgage and not sell it off. So that would be a local bank or a local credit union. Remember, just don't focus on those HOA fees, because in the future it will have a negative impact on your value if the association becomes non-warrantable. So again, hope this helped. Melissa Perrille with PRG Premier Group, 401-288-3600.